How to fix access not available on TikTok Live Studio. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to fix the access not available issue on TikTok Live Studio, you need to meet certain requirements. So the conditions vary depending on the type of creator you are. If you're a gaming creator, whether in US or elsewhere, you will need at least 1,000 followers. And if you're not a gaming creator, you will need at least 10,000 followers. Make sure that you meet these following requirements before applying for TikTok Live Studio. And additionally, there are age restrictions for going live. You must be at least 18 years or older. Although this age may vary in some countries, while 1,000 followers are generally needed to go to live, and non-gaming streamers specifically require at least 10,000 followers. And once you meet these requirements, you can simply go ahead and apply for Live Studio. You can tap on the plus icon in the bottom. Go ahead and scroll from the bottom of the screen, and there you will see the option of live, and you can start going live from your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.